Hey, and welcome to another video with me. So, hi there, I haven't seen you in a while. I haven't made an English video in like forever. I'm currently on my summer session and you know, exams, stress and all this stuff. So today I wanted to bring you this natural summer makeup. Of course, I'm not a beauty guru, I'm not an expert. I'm not here to tell you that you must do this makeup, but I'm just showing you what I like to do when it's summer. So before I leave you to the video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, remember to leave a like and comment down below if you like this kind of videos. If you want to see more, suggest me some videos ideas. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and all the social medias I will leave down below. Remember that this video is not sponsored, but still I will leave you down below the products I used because I love you. Hello there, this is my pale face, no makeup on, don't get scared, I know. Whoa! This is my foundation I'm using from Chanel. I know you're wondering where I got it. Don't ask me. Now I'm putting it under my eyes because I have big bags. I will spread it under my eyes and on my pimples, yeah, because we all have pimples. No, just adjust the mess with your fingers because fingers are good. Then, oh my god, the weather today is so hot, I'm dying. That's better. Now let's go with bronzer. I just put it wherever I feel like it's right for my face, you know. Nobody said you just have to put it on your cheeks. I'll put it wherever I want to because we are free to do whatever we want. Now I'll take the first ever brush I bought and I'm just spreading some blush. I know, don't ask, I'm just putting it everywhere because I like red. Then I brought this highlighter thing and I'm putting it on my cheeks, on my nose, under my eyebrows, and then just, you know, ruin your face like that. Then I'll take some white and I put it in the crease inside my eyes because that looks good. And you know that you gotta keep your lips hydrated. That's what I'm doing here. Whoa, now just go with highlighter. It's like some dark gold color. Just tap it on your eyelids. Then this random brush, I don't know how to use brushes, so don't kill me please. I'll take this old palette I have and just put some brown on my eyes like that. Then I like to fold my eyelashes because they are so straight. I don't really like them. I know that you should love your body like it is, but you know. Then I'll take my favorite mascara from Essence, I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it, and just put it on. And don't laugh about my faces. I didn't feel like putting mascara under my eyes, so I didn't. Then let's go with some gold lipstick lip gloss. I don't even know how to call it because they're writing on it as disappeared. And now let's go for a before and after. In the comment section down below you can tell me if you like this video, if you would like to see more, if you prefer to see me with or without makeup. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. It's so hot. Oh hi, I didn't see you there. Yeah, I didn't. I just set up the camera, turned on the lights and turned on my... How do you say that? I don't know. Where is my phone? Oh, here.